Now I'm just going to run this one side first, and then once that's proven, I'm going to run the opposite side, and then provided they're all good, I'm going to run them together as one. So every time I finish, I pull out a part that has Op1 and Op2 done. Op3 will be later on these side holes, so I'm just going to stack them all together and do as many as I can in one go. So yeah. Wrong. Have to fix that. Much better. Well, something went wrong. I broke the tap on the first hole. That sucks. Gotta figure out why. So the issue was I didn't make a relief here right on the edge, and I would have had the same problem once I got to this side as well. So more clearance holes, and I'm gonna need a new tap, so I might have to go and buy one quick trip to Goring. Rest in peace. Okay, I've ordered that tap and I'm going to go pick it up soon, but in the meantime I've milled these reliefs, so that definitely won't happen again. Fresh tap in there. Okay, here we go. Please don't break. Anxiety levels mega high. Oh, the coolant scared me. Didn't break. Now we've just got a lot of tapping to do. Nice. And just a little edge break chamfer around these bores and contours, and looking really good. So I'm going to try the other side now. Okay, so I'm just going to use that as a spacer now, and then I'm going to try out my Op2 here, and that contour is located in the fixture. Fixture's working great. About halfway through all the parts now. Okay, final operation, Op3. I've just done a drill, a chamfer and tap, and then I've patterned it across 10 of the parts to make it easy, and stuck them in the vise like so. ready to go. Finish these off today. There you have it, guys. I've finished up all the operations on these parts and only had one sort of bingle along the way. Everything else went quite smoothly. Fixture worked great. I'm going to go with this brushed finish, which you just saw me do, and then I'm going to send them off for anodizing. So want to get them back and laser them. I'll show you guys how it comes out. But so far so good. Hope you've enjoyed watching the process of making them. Catch you later.